So how can you send text to multiple contacts on your Android device? Let's talk about it. Let me show you how it works. If you are the first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you will never miss anything important. So depends on which messages service you are using. For example, I have the Samsung messages, I have the Google messages. So I would recommend you to get the Google one, as I believe it's a little bit better. So in there, you can start a brand new chat, right? You choose like a random contact, whatever, you can type a message to them. But in the top right corner, you have the plus button next to a person icon. And this lets you send multiple or choose another people to the list right here, right? So you can, for example, literally just set up the other things in here, add the contacts right there, and you will be able to just send the text messages to multiple different people, right? So you are going to be able to select multiple different contacts. As I said, it works out through the Google Messages app, so you can easily download it from the Play Store if you do not have it, but I'm not saying that's the only method. There are other messages platforms or apps which can also get the job done, right? So make sure you explore the other options as well. For example, there is an app called which is called GroupMe, and that's designed for group chat specifically, right? So it's like an app which I believe should also be explored if you are really interested in this concept. So yeah, let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for more straight to the point videos and explanations like this one, and I'll talk to you later.